In the words of Monty Python, what have the Romans ever done for us? Well, amongst other things, they brought us prefabrication. They manufactured recyclable forts from fire-resistant elm wood to 1 centimetre tolerance, leaving them busy to conquer. So we wonder why, over 2,000 years later, designing to build off-site still isn't the mainstream model for the building industry. A few hundred years ago, there was a resurgence to build off-site. However, just decades ago, we became apathetic to the blandness of prefabrication. But as in the words of Walter Gropius, limitation makes the creative mind inventive. Innovation and change are often preceded by extreme periods in politics, economy and weather, not to mention the impact of war on supply chains. And we have had pressure on all these fronts. But we are rising from the ashes like a phoenix in our period of innovation. With the digital build and building information modelling now firmly in our grasp, design for manufacture and assembly is key to our future. Ready to fight the great fight and merge to mainstream? If you aren't in the conversation, you simply aren't in the conversation and run the risk of being left behind in your isolation. Giants have been pulled down due to lack of infrastructure, leaving them unable to respond to their changing market, while disruptors master the niche. As we engage a rising influence on our net zero and sustainable development goals, we don't need convincing that prefab is the future to not only have a greener planet, but a better bottom line too. It is simply smarter, better, faster. A study based on bathroom pods in 26 homes by a national builder revealed a prefabricated model had a 98% reduction in man hours. The conventional build took 2,964 hours, the off-site model took 37. Days in construction equalled 109 for the conventional build and prefabricated took 7. This is a 94% reduction. These figures alone are compelling, but to really sharpen the pencil, scheduling reduced 78%. Calls 75%, emails 94%, meetings 40%, and inspections reduced by 71%. On a separate build of 16 homes in Australia, waste was reduced by 60%. The offsite industry drivers are in cultivating the relationships and pathways for data to journey to the correct destination. Banks only lend money when they can quantify risk. Government regulators only develop policy if they understand the benefits. For them to keep up with our rapid production pace, we must provide the ideas, facts and solutions in off-site production. Holding data under lock and key is not the only model for market edge. Individual success does not guarantee a collective goal. Industry advancement will come from being flexible and agile. If we leave our personal goals at the door and collaborate our data, we can strive for a nationwide legislative infrastructure. Prefabrication is no longer that 1970s classroom. We are in a new era creating sophisticated designs like this. Our members are architects, end-to-end modular builders, 3D printing experts, engineers, project managers, academia, government bodies and property developers. We foster innovation. There is a brighter future. Join prefabAUS now and be part of the movement to design for manufacture and assembly and build off-site.